A cabinet meeting was held today where certain decisions had been taken. Informing on the same, Cabinet Minister and also spokesperson of the government, Paul Lyngdoh, informed that the cabinet met had discussed and approved certain proposals placed before it. These include government sponsorship towards mid-career courses for senior level officers belonging to All India Services, Meghalaya Civil Service, Meghalaya Police Service, Meghalaya Forest Service and Meghalaya Finance Service in Meghalaya, and also approved certain guidelines of foreign visits by officials of the state government. It is decided that foreign visits of any official of the government, including contractual staff, will be limited to 2 visits per year.
We took up the matter of toning up and upscaling the efficiency of the bureaucracy of the state, which is a very important link between the political executive and the public. So, in order to facilitate that kind of facility training, today the cabinet took up the item of mid-career sponsored courses for senior level officers belonging to All India Services, MCS, MPS, MFS, Forest Service and Finance Service. In the course of the discussion, we decided that we will encourage and incentivize our officers to continue learning by pursuing courses at various universities which provide higher degree and diploma courses, and these will be undertaken by our officers without any dislocation from work, meaning that they will not be taking any leave in the course of the training. There will be no study leave. They will be in a position to undertake such courses in the weekends or post office hours. It's precisely because of the frequency of visits seemed irrational that we decided to rationalize it.
And how many such cases, more or less?
We can only say that the frequency does not match with the results, so we decided to rationalize it. Is that there have been umpteen requests and visits undertaken by several such officials, which only needed the clearance of the Chief Minister. But today, in order to, as a prudent fiscal measure, the cabinet decided to rationalize such visits, reduce their frequency to 2, and also obtain progress reports so that there is no wasteful expenditure of the public exchequer.